This is the third revision video in a series about the GCSE Chemistry topic of chemical analysis. By the end of this video, you should be able to recall the gas tests for oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine and carbon dioxide, both how you do the test and what your observation would be if the test were positive. The first test you need to know is the test for oxygen. A glowing splint, one which was on fire but has been shaken out or blown out, will relight in the presence of oxygen gas. Here in this boiling tube I have some hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down naturally over time to make water and oxygen. I'm going to use the oxygen that this reaction produces in my gas test. Now this process of decomposition happens naturally very slowly, so I'm going to use a catalyst called manganese dioxide to speed things up. First I add my catalyst and you can see that that's starting to bubble up because it's producing oxygen gas, and anywhere that you produce gas under a liquid you see bubbles. So now I need my glowing splint. Remember, this is a splint that's been set on fire and then shaken out or blown out, and this will relight in the presence of oxygen. So here's my splint that's on fire and I need to blow it out. So you can see that it's glowing, and now if I take it and I put it near to the gas or in the gas, then eventually it relights. And this is making quite a lot of oxygen, so I can do this again. I can blow it out again, so it's glowing, and then if I put it back in the gas, again you can see that it relights. And so there's my lit splint. The second test is for hydrogen, which burns rapidly if you ignite it, making a popping sound. Definitely hydrogen. This is often referred to as the squeaky pop test, but unfortunately that name won't get you marks in an exam, so remember to talk about setting it on fire and how it burns rapidly with a pop. Chlorine gas will turn damp litmus paper white because when chlorine dissolves in water it literally makes bleach. You may have done this test as part of the electrolysis required practical in Unit 4 in order to prove that you discharged chloride ions at the anode and made chlorine gas. The final test is for carbon dioxide, which you can either bubble through or shake with lime water until it goes cloudy. This colourless transparent solution of aqueous calcium hydroxide, commonly called lime water, reacts with small amounts of carbon dioxide to make a white calcium carbonate precipitate. That's a solid that makes the solution turn milky or cloudy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this a useful summary of the gas tests that you need to know about for Unit 8 of AQA GCSE Chemistry or Combined Science. If you did find it useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more GCSE Chemistry videos coming soon.